KC Screen, the company for screen enclosure service in the Central Florida area. KC Screen has been serving Central Florida since 1994. When it comes to pool enclosures, screen rooms, or any structure that requires screen installation, people in Orlando and the surrounding areas know to call 407-977-9636 for prompt, professional screen service. Use KC Screen for screen replacement for your pool screen, patio screens, pet screen, insect screen, or retractable screens. You can have a place to relax, socialize, or just take in the outdoors without any concern for bugs or weather. If you live in the Orlando area, call us for patio enclosures, swimming pool enclosures, and porch enclosures. KC Screen is well known for its professionalism and high quality materials. At KC Screen, we were proud to use Pfeiffer Incorporated products. Pfeiffer Incorporated is an industry leader in insect screens, solar screens, drawn wire, interior solar control fabrics, engineered products, and outdoor designer fabrics. The products we use reduce glare, offer good outward visibility, have a weather-resistant finish, and offer good air ventilation. Our products give the homeowner many years of worry-free durability and protection, offering superior tear resistance and tensile strength screen with an advanced polymer formula that defies deterioration. If you plan to enclose an existing porch or patio space, or add a brand new patio enclosure to your home, give us a call today.